Today, I'll show you how to delete an S3 bucket in AWS. If you're managing your resources on Amazon Web Services and need to remove an S3 bucket, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's important to note that once a bucket is deleted, all its contents will be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. So, let's make sure we do this correctly and efficiently. First, navigate to your Amazon S3 console. Here, you'll see a directory list of your existing buckets. To begin the deletion process, locate the bucket you want to delete and check the box that appears next to its name. This action selects the bucket and allows you to proceed with further operations. Once you've selected your bucket, you'll notice a series of options along the top actions bar. Look for the button labeled Empty. Clicking this button is crucial because it ensures that all objects within the bucket are removed before the bucket itself is deleted. This step is required as AWS does not allow the direct deletion of buckets that contain objects. After clicking Empty, a confirmation page will appear. This is where you'll need to type permanently delete into the text field provided. This step is an extra layer of security designed to prevent accidental deletions. Typing permanently delete confirms that you understand the action you are about to take and authorizes the system to clear out all objects within the bucket. Now, click the orange Empty button. This will initiate the process of removing all contents from the bucket. Depending on the number of objects, this could take some time, so be patient as AWS performs this operation. Once the bucket is empty, navigate back to the main S3 buckets directory screen. Here, you'll find the bucket you just emptied. Again, select the checkbox next to this bucket to prepare for its final deletion. Now, look for the Delete button on the top actions bar. Clicking Delete will prompt a warning message. This warning is an essential step as it prevents accidental deletions of the wrong bucket. Carefully review the warning to ensure you understand the implications of deleting the bucket. In the confirmation text box that appears, type the exact name of the bucket you wish to delete. This step is crucial because it guarantees that you're deleting the correct bucket, avoiding any unintended data loss. Finally, click Delete Bucket. This action completes the deletion process, and your bucket, along with any data it contained, is now permanently removed from your AWS account. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an S3 bucket in AWS. Remember, this action is irreversible, so always double-check the bucket name and contents before proceeding with deletion. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps, but always exercise caution to protect your data. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more AWS tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day managing your AWS resources.